for 18 days. The anti-terror agency had earlier produced Rana before the NIA Special Court at Patiala House and sought 20 days custody. Prior to that, he was formally placed under the arrest on his arrival at the IGI airport in New Delhi. Following his successful extradition from the US, during the proceedings earlier at the court, NIA presented compelling evidence, including emails that were sent by Tahawwur Rana to justify his police custody. NIA informed the court that David Coleman Headley had discussed the entire operation with Tahawwur Rana before his visit to India. Anticipating potential challenges, Headley sent an email to Rana detailing his belongings and assets. He had also informed Rana about the involvement of Ilyas Kashmiri and Abdur Rahman in the plot. Now the NIA will question Rana in detail in order to unravel the complete conspiracy behind the deadly 2000 Mumbai terror attack. It has been 17 years since a tragedy in which 166 people were killed and over 238 were injured. Remember viewers, the NIA secured Rana's extradition from the US following years of sustained efforts and after the terror mastermind's last-ditch efforts to get a stay on his extradition from the US, which failed. Rana was brought to New Delhi yesterday evening, escorted by the teams of NSG and the NIA, comprising senior officials on a special plane from Los Angeles in US. Now viewers, NewsX accesses the photo of the moment where Tahawwur Rana was handed over to the NIA on the American soil. And in fact, the pictures that you can see on your screen now are the pictures where the Tahawwur Rana's extradition by the NIA was handed over. That is the moment when Rana was handed over, where US authorities handed over Rana to the NIA. Arzu Seth, my colleague, is joining me live from the NIA headquarters, straight up on this very important news break that we're tracking. Arzu, now the first images are with NewsX of Tahawwur Rana, the 2611 mastermind and plotter, being handed over to the NIA from the United States Authority. What are you picking up as far as in fact these pictures are concerned?
Well, absolutely, these are the images which we are showing on NewsX exclusively, though, of when the US authorities are handling over the Tahawwur Rana to the NIA authorities, and in fact today marks the very important day as the questioning will begin, and he has been sent to 18 days custody, and right now we are outside the NIA, and as you can also see, that security has in fact briefed up. There are multiple layer of barricading that is being done, and also the the questioning will begin very soon, and Tahawwur will be grilled by the senior officials of the NIA, and there will be interrogation that will focus on Rana's IS connections, his role in the 2611 conspiracy, and his meeting with the David Hartley, and high security measures are in place at the NIA headquarters. There will be senior officers, superintendent of police level, DSP level from NIA that will begin the questioning to grill the Tahawwur Rana, and there are a lot of important questions. In fact, what was Rana's involvement in 2008 Mumbai terror attack, his location during the attack, and also why Rana visited India, and which specific location did Rana visit during that time, and in fact the link to Lashkar-e-Taiba and Pakistani intelligence agencies who funded the entire attack. So a lot of questions that are there too that will be asked from the Tahawwur Rana, and in fact what information can Rana provide about the connection between the Lashkar-e-Taiba, Pakistan's intelligence agencies, and other parties involved in 2008 attack. Can Rana shed light on the roles played by prominent terrorists, and also a special team comprising of the NIA officers, intelligence agency personnel, and forensic psychologists will conduct the interrogation. Their primary goal is to uncover the mastermind and also the support network behind the 2611 attack. And also, as you can see, the officials are in fact reaching the NIA, as there will be a crucial meeting that is scheduled to take place around 11 a.m. and at the NIA headquarters, where a team of 12 special officers, including the Director General, will discuss the interrogation of the Tawur Rana, and that questioning will take place in a specifically designed room with the 2 cameras to record the process. So in a very tight security, he has been kept. Rana is being held in a ground floor lockup at the NIA headquarters with an adjacent interrogation room. Only authorized team member will be allowed to interact with Rana. The interrogation reports will be submitted to the Ministry of Home Affairs on daily basis, and DIG Jaya Roy will lead the interrogation team. So these are the inputs where we are gathering from the what the sources are telling us, that a very crucial meeting that is going to take place at 11 a.m. Regarding the questioning, the grilling that will happen with the Tawur Rana at the NIA office. So very important, as today marks the first day of the 18-day custody, and today the questioning will begin to find out and to uncover the inputs regarding the attack 26/11 that took the life of the more than 160 people and left more than 230 injured during the attack. Yes.
Well, all right. In fact, Arzu, continue to stay with us as the first news break as to the 26/11 plotter being handed over to the NIA from the US is being shown on your screen.